this preview we share only two parts, conclusion part 1 and transit effect of Sun. First we share with you transit effect of the Sun for the whole month plus conclusion part 1 out of the 10 parts of the whole premium content for the monthly horoscope report. The 10 parts are like that: transit effect of Sun for the month of coming month, transit effect of the Mercury, transit effect of Mars, transit effect of Venus. Transit effect of Sun defines you how the decision maker will behave with you, how the land of the law will treat you, and how anybody who have a wealth, power and authority, their attitude toward you, and also your reactions toward them. Transit of Mercury's impact on you for the whole month is your flow of income, your flow of career, flow of job, profession, career, flow of information through communication, what you're going to learn through communication, and your flow of progression. Transit effect of Mars will create an impact on your family life, your friendship, your relationship, your courage, your confidence, your action and reaction in any tricky situation. Transit of Venus defines you. First, your love life, your romantic life, your relationship, anything to romance or relationship. Transit of Venus also defines you, your success rate if you're going for an interview or presentation or exam or test. Your name and fame and establishment, your recognition and appreciation, that is transit of Venus will define you. Conclusion part 1, conclusion part 2, conclusion part 3. There are 9 parts in each part have 3 parts. So in the whole month we divide into 9 parts. Define each part, give you its own pleasantness, positive side, negative sides. That is happening because for us the whole month we divide into 9 parts and we put the whole microscope in the whole month, and each and every section will give you its own taste. Sometimes it's bitter, sometimes it's very sweet, sometimes it's mediocre. Things can happen. Astrological task. What you need to do if you're trapped in any ugly situation or trapped in any unpleasant situation in the month. How you can maneuver the astrological equation with the help of task. You can do that if you want to. Precautions, what you shouldn't do. What discipline you should acquire. Chanting is sacred words, spiritual words. You can create a vibration with the help of those chantings, sacred chanting. That will help you spiritually. You can overcome any situation, you can get a boost, and that is, you can exercise the whole chanting whole month. You can accomplish your success, but only with the help of focus, concentration and passion. These are all contents of premium content. If you want the premium content, you can buy directly from my website, prakashastrologer.com. The whole premium content you can, because all my weekly, monthly, yearly horoscope reports are applied horoscope report. They're not like it says predictions given to you. Yes, but there are task, precaution, chanting. You can change and maneuver the whole astrological equation with the help of task, precaution, chanting. But only depend on your will and discipline. Yes. Cancerian transit of Sun in 6th house, 16 December till 14 January. You'll find yourself overcoming obstacles. It's a great time for successful problem solving. If anyone gets in your way, you will be able to deal with it easily, with the minimum aggravation. It's a good time to complete any unfinished projects. You're likely to succeed in whatever you put your efforts in. Financially, you will do well. Find your way to gain general. Your mental and physical health will be excellent. Your body will stay healthy. Your mind will be free of too much stress and anxiety. It is time to enjoy and comfort social relationship, especially friendship with people in powerful positions. There are good chances for promotion, honor, especially from authorities or government-related people. Sun transit in 6th house. This transit is quite different from immediate preceding one. Now is the time to examine the problem of how much you should manage your life and what duties and responsibility that entail. This is a house of work of tasks that need to be done, which may be necessitate postponing immediate gratification. Your focus should be on efficiency and effectiveness. Strive to make every action as much possible as possible. In your work, this is a good time to examine and refine your technique and procedure, for your mind can work clearly and sharply to discover your best way of doing things. The only problem you may have to contend with at this time that you will probably not be the top of your heap, but this is you will probably have to work according to someone else's wishes or needs, but you can do the best. Cancerian, conclusion for month of December 2021. Conclusion part 1, Cancerian, for December 2021. During this physical phase of time, you will come in contact with influential people. Rise in income clearly indicated. You might also enter into new venture. Your friends, associates will provide you best support to you. Long distance travel shall be beneficial. Your contact with foreigner will also be rising. Family life will be quite happy. Love and romance, this particular period is going to be boon. You will be heroic in your strife and overcoming your enemies. Your health will be generally good, but ear infection will be there. During this particular phase of time, you will suffer from a lot of anxiety, some anxiety, and you want to have a peace of mind, and even attitude of the family member can be quite indifferent. Your interest in occult, parapsychology will develop. Some experience in this field are also possible. Unexpected monetary gain could be possible. Don't go for big investment because things may not turn out according to your expectations. Your friends and association shall not keep up their promises. A sense of insecurity shall prevail in this particular period. During this phase of time, you will command respect due to your qualities of delicate discrimination and fine accuracy in judgment. Your imagination will also be excellent. Success is guaranteed in a new venture and enterprise. Others will appreciate your sense of creativity. This particular period will be bringing you midst of the famous people. The time is also suitable for love affair, romantic life. Family happiness is also assured. Your friends and well-wishers will provide their full support to you. A memorable journey is also indicated. Consider Rahu's position in 11th house. Beware of any official conflict with higher authorities. Beware of any unexpected happenings. Sun, Mercury, Ketu in the 5th house. Watch your recognition, watch your appreciation. Look after your health regarding chest and lower abdomen. Jupiter position in 8th house. Sometime you can be all over the place. And watch your conduct and watch your behavior. Watch your decisions and choices. Venus position in 6th house. Look after your marriage relationship and romantic relationship. Saturn position in 7th house. Watch your communication with people around you, personally or professionally. Your communications will play a very big role or key role, especially if you're in a joint venture. Moon, Mars position in 4th house. Beware of foul temper, unnecessary arguments or conflict with anybody. You must beware of lack of recognition or lack of clarity. Sometimes too many confusion or debts, illusions. And may I say that in this coming month, this particular month of December, you must beware of relationship rows, relationship fluctuations. You might need a completed monthly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com. Complete monthly horoscope report will define you complete analysis of the whole month, and which will define your Sun's transit effect, Mars transit effect, Mercury transit effect, Venus transit effect, as well as the astrological task. What astrological task you need to do if you're trapped in any ugly situation? What precautions you must implement to save your skin? What sacred chanting you must exercise in the whole 30 to 31 days to accomplish your goal? For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the monthly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best.